and I've asked them to carry my message to the four corners of Punjab and of Pakistan, to tell them that People's Party is a party that believes in economic emancipation, in peace and security, and that we will be working for the people so that we can fulfill our 5-point agenda. This is an agenda to empower the people, to educate the people, to provide employment opportunities for the people, to end the energy shortages that we have in our country, and to improve the environment. And I feel that people are really interested in these basic bread and butter issues.